This is Ministry of Finance and Economic Planning.
Okay.
Yeah.
This building up here?
This one.
Oh, okay. All right.
This one is one of the biggest bank we have. It's one of them.
Bank?
One of the banks we have that are big. It's called I&M Bank.
Oh, okay. What is it called again?
I&M Bank.
Oh, Kigali Serena Hotel. I'm giving my friends a free tour.
Yeah.
So they're gonna find everything online.
Of course, yeah. Here we have Kigali Conference and Exhibition. This one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a
University of Rwanda.
Yeah. It's headquarters, but